Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from North Point Lighthouse to 14 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will impact Wind Point, Kenosha Harbor, and the open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
I think this is a doubleheader. Yes! Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., an area of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from near Browns Lake to Racine, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Antioch, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Rochester, Raymond, Wheatland, Yorkville, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Channel Lake, Lake Catherine, and Browns Lake. This replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was previously in effect for Racine and Kenosha counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Got it.
The tornado